today's video, we are at Birdsong Park and Nature Trail in Orchard Park. And as soon as you get out of your car, you see birds. And there's a nice big lake. Oh, lots of birds over here. Lots and lots of birds for you to look at. As you look down the lake. Not going to walk near the birds. They're not known to be too friendly. And they're pretty tall and I'm pretty short. So we're going to take you through the park. See what we can see. They have the dog area. So you can come get your bags and throw out your poop. And there's the rules for the park. And this is a New York State birding trail. You gotta leash your dog. That's pretty common in Western New York though. Take you down the path. I'm just going to do a quick little scan. You're in Orchard Park, so the park lines a residential area. They also have a little free library, like the last park did. I'm just going to shut that so things don't get all wet. They just have a nice big area where you can walk, go into the woods, collect your thoughts. From here you can see, you can drive in, follow the road and park. I definitely suggest on hot days when you come to places like this, bring some water with you, take a few breaks and sit down. Of course you don't have to, you can do what you want. But the option is there. And as you can see, you're going right along the trail here. I'm going to go off to my... Oh, well, I guess I'm going to go off to my right. Hang on, somebody's riding on a bike. Hello. People out here are very friendly. I did wave at him when he said hello. I didn't want to impose on his ride. But he looks like he's having a good time. Who wouldn't? Look how nice this is. It's peaceful. You're in the woods. There's birds everywhere. My poor little tree got broken. We had a rough winter though. I'm sure you guys seen on other YouTube channels where they drive through the storms. And they drove through a few of our blizzards. How they got through, I don't know. But God bless them. Good footage. And as you go, there's little bird houses along the path, since it's a sanctuary for them. And another birdhouse right here. Take you to a bridge. Come walk with me over the bridge. Ooh, pretty little creek. Stop and take a look at that. A little dry on that end. This got some flowing water. Very nice. If I was a little closer, I'd go stick my feet right in there. I am definitely a creek walker. If you can get in it and they don't stop you, I'm in. I go in about ankle deep, sometimes knee deep, depending on the area. Just like that rush of the water between my toes. Most of the time, I bring water shoes. Sometimes it's just a sporadic event. I'll just walk in there barefoot. Probably not a great idea. Ooh, this tree got a little bit of demolish there. It looks like they chopped it up and got it out of the way. And a garbage can. That's nice. A long and winding road. Whenever you're alone on a path, just make sure you're keeping an eye on things around you. As I walk, it might be a little zigzaggy because I look around. Path. I wouldn't be surprised if a few deer come through. That's pretty common in wooded areas in New York. Somebody's doing a little yard work. Or park work. And looks like we got another lake. Yep. So, yep, there's a park guy down there. So we'll just continue to stay where we are. Show you the park and the lake. The cut grass smells really nice. All right. Well, this looks like just about the end of the trail. No pun intended. So I hope you enjoyed what you see. If you do, please hit the like, subscribe. Come join me for another experience. And I'll see you in the next one.